GoPro videos are great, but often they're shaky. We wanted to create an affordable and easy-to-use solution that makes GoPro videos look amazing without the shakiness. So we developed ProView G3 for your GoPro. It is compact and lightweight, allowing you to mount it the same way you mount your GoPro. ProView G3 adopts state-of-the-art 3-axis stabilization technology used by the film industry. It can be mounted in upright position on a pole for selfie video, or it can also be mounted in forward position on a chest harness for hands-free first-person video. Or it can be mounted in inverted position, making it possible for near-ground low-angle shooting. Our optional handle accessory turns ProView G3 into a handheld GoPro gimbal. It has a button for mode selection and a joystick to adjust the camera direction. With the latest 4K GoPro camera, imagine what cinematic videos you can proudly share with the world.
Our optional cable cam accessory adds another creative dimension to your video recording, a must-have accessory taking GoPro recording to the next level. We went through many iterations of prototype to develop a product optimized for your GoPro camera. We are now ready to bring that prototype to market, and we need your help. Please back us today to bring ProView G3 and amazing cinematic videos that you create to this world.